Another cloudy and humid day across much of the bigger cities. Midland, Odessa, and Big Spring still seeing some pretty average temperatures, but you throw in the wind, you throw in the humidity, it just feels a little gross out there. Well, that's what nearby storm systems are going to do. The problem is we've only been getting the nearby storms. We're not actually getting any significant rain on top of Midland, Odessa, or Big Spring, areas that definitely need the rain, but everything just keeps teasing us. It's like, oh, you're getting close. You might see something, and then we don't. Yeah, it's not easy. I know you guys are upset. I am too, of course. It makes it a very difficult to forecast. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 o'clock tonight. Same with the tornado watch, so we can see hail, strong winds, and even that isolated tornado risk through any of these storms that are forming. There's one area of interest that's going to be just to the southwest of Fort Stockton that is now warned until 5 o'clock this afternoon. Mainly because we're looking at ping-pong-sized hail associated with it and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. One little storm is over Pecos, but it is not even a thunderstorm at this point, just some moderate to light rain across the region. Lots of cloud cover is beginning to move in from the area, but it's really hard to predict when the Storm Prediction Center keeps changing our risks. Yesterday, the risk was all the way down to maybe Pecos, and it was just the level 1. Now we're up to that level 2 risk, and the level 3 is just to our north, and they increase those risks due to the potential for tornadic activity. Yeah. 65 tonight, mostly cloudy, 10% chance of those showers. Most of that stuff is going to be just left over. What about your Saturday? You got Saturday plans? Maybe a nice grilling forecast? It's going to be a little bit cooler. Lots of those 70s and a lot more of that cloud cover too, because we're actually looking at potential rainfall in the early part of the morning for the northern basin. But before that, let's see later tonight. We'll see if Andrews and Seminole can get some rain, potentially moving into Midland or Big Spring. I don't expect that. I'll watch out for it, just in case. I want some rain. I want to wash my car, I guarantee the day I wash it, we're gonna see some activity. Starting up tomorrow morning, maybe an isolated sprinkle in our northernmost counties. Then you start to see a little bit of outflow from Lubbock. That might spark a stray thunderstorm here and there. But really tomorrow afternoon, starting around maybe New Mexico rather than the Stockton Plateau. This little line tries to push its way through Ector County and then fizzles out right around Big Lake around midnight or so. Sunday, a lot of cloud cover and isolated chance for more thunderstorms right around 5, 6 o'clock. This stuff moves out pretty quickly, and then we don't need to worry about it. So what are the severe risks? The ones that they're saying now that they might just change in a few hours. Level 1 marginal risk for northern parts, just actually north of Midland and Odessa, north of Big Spring, maybe a little bit into Howard County. And then by Sunday, the level 1 risk for basically most of the region. We'll see how true that holds up. I'm not putting an alert day just yet. I might have to. I'm putting about 10% coverage for Sunday, and then we might see quick little outbreaks here and there, maybe Tuesday with our next little frontal system, and then potentially Friday, Saturday, and Sunday next week. Friday next week is going to be about 10%. We'll just keep our eye on that. Hey, I'll take some rain chances. I just want actual rain at this point, Jolena.
Oh, me too. I would pick the rain over severe weather any day. Hey, coming up next, it is a marathon.